Today, I'm going to be showing you how to fold your very own world record paper airplane. Let's get right into it.
So to start, you're going to want to fold your paper in half hot dog style. Undo that and then fold it down hamburger style and leave about an inch. And then you're going to want to fold that in half and then bring that back down. Fold in your corners to make a nice triangular tip. You're going to want to unfold that again and do the same thing on those creases that you just made. And then this step, you're going to want to tuck in that second fold you just made into the pocket. And then from here, you just fold in half, fold your wings, and you're good to go. Let's give it a shot.